Welcome back to my channel, The Holistic Boss. If you're new, welcome. I'm Coach Renee. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a green juice that's going to support our lymphatic system. It's going to help keep the fluids healthy and the juices flowing properly throughout our lymphatic system, and which is very vital to our immune health. And this juice is good for our hydration, it's good for our circulation, and it's good for the lymph movement around our breast tissue and other organs inside of our body. So this juice, you can drink it first thing in the morning, or you can drink it at mid-afternoon around that time. So, and I talk a lot about the reason why I share to drink your juices in the morning, because once again, our stomachs are empty, our gut is empty. And when we drink these juices on an empty stomach, it helps the vitamins and the nutrients inside of that juice get to our bloodstream quicker and helps it to do its job. And so this is the reason why we want to always remember to drink our juices first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or you can drink this one specifically in a mid-afternoon. And if you drink it in the mid-afternoon, you want to give yourself, or in the morning rather, you want to give yourself, 30 to 40 minutes before you consume a full course meal. This way, the vitamins and the nutrients inside the juice can, like I said, do its job, the best job. All right, so let's get started. And the reason why I'm using these ingredients, because the vitamins that's packed inside of these ingredients is what we need to help support our lymphatic system along with our immune health, right? And the veggies and the herbs that I'm using are full of vitamin C, potassium, there's some B vitamins in here as well. And so mainly it's the potassium and the vitamin C and the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, is the dark green color that's in these leafy greens, which is why I share a lot about the leafy greens on this channel, is because of the chlorophyll does magic to our bodies. All right, so let's get started, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using as always. So let's go. So I'm going to be using 2 stalks of celery, 1 whole cucumber, a handful of parsley, and I'm going to I had some leftover kale, so I'm going to add some kale to that as well. 1 green apple and a half of a lemon, and I will peel this lemon. So let's get going. Let's open up the hopper here, and I'm going to cut my cucumber first. Okay, we're going to add the cucumber. Cucumber keeps you very hydrating. Cucumbers are very hydrating. It's almost like water. All right, then I'm going to chop the celery. Celery aside. Oops, that's one. Then let's go ahead and put the bunch of parsley. Of course, you always want to make sure everything is washed clean. I add the kale. Just a handful of kale. This is probably 3 leaves that I cut. Well, no, probably 2 leaves that I cut. 2 leaves because I had some left over. Okay, and then I am going to slice the lemon in half. seeds out. Okay, so we got the half a lemon we're going to throw in there, and I try to keep most of the rind on there. Next, we are going to just chop the apple, green apple. Okay, let's turn it on and see what juice is up. Okay, there you have it. Did not take long, probably about 5 minutes or so. So now let's get our glass ready. Where are you going to? There you have it. Look at that. See all that dark green? That's chlorophyll. That's what we want to support our lymphatic system and our immune system. Together, they are going to work wonders on cleansing and supporting the parts of our tissues that need help the most. So let's pour it into this glass here. Look at that greatness. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Look at that. Wow. All this chlorophyll, enzymes, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, everything all in this glass. This is how we heal. This is how we fight disease. By supporting our immune system with all the vitamins. This is full of vitamin C, potassium. It also has B vitamins in here. It has chlorophyll, which is the key ingredient to fight many illnesses and diseases out there. All right, let's taste this. It's nice and lemony. You could taste the lemon for sure, the vitamin C. So we need that vitamin C, all of it. We need everything that's inside of this glass, right? So here's what I wanted to share with you. Everything that, many of the juices that I share here on this channel, it may not taste the greatest to you, but everything that tastes good is going to benefit. Everything that tastes good may not taste good to you, is going to be beneficial to your body, right? So sometimes the juice might taste bitter, sometimes it might taste sweet, but we don't always need sweet. Sometimes we need bitter in order to fight or cleanse our bodies, right? And so this is a juice, again, that's going to support our lymphatic system, which is really important for our immune health, right? If our immune health is not healthy, then other parts of our body is going to decline. And so we want to keep the immune system up so we can have, once again, healthy cells, healthy lymphatic system. So I'm specifically focused on the lymphatic system in this video today, right? So our breast tissue is what we need to make sure that we are supporting and that stays healthy, right? So we can fight off these diseases. Okay? So that's it. Simple, quick, and easy. This is probably takes 10 minutes. And once again, what's in here are 2 stalks of celery, 1 cucumber, a half of a lemon peeled, a handful of parsley, and I threw in some kale. Now, the kale was optional, but I just threw it in to get some more extra vitamins K and extra vitamins, but you don't have to, right? So this is simple, easy. Have it in the morning or mid-afternoon, all right? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and check out my store. Check out my anti-inflammatory book. All right, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.